If you prefer to lock your luggage when traveling, use a TSA-compatible luggage or travel lock, and you can find these at airports or Amazon. Use any other locks at your own risk. No, don't do it.
No, don't do it. Please don't do it.
Hey guys, I'm Crystal Amanda and welcome back to my channel. In last week's video, I talked about checked luggage packing mistakes, but in today's video, I will be sharing checked luggage pre-packing tips. So without further ado, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do when packing your checked luggage is insert a smart tag electronic tracker either in a pocket or in a zipper compartment of your luggage. And it doesn't have to be the Apple brand AirTag. There are other brands that you can choose from. If you open Amazon, type in smart AirTags, then read the reviews and select according to your liking and budget. The next thing you want to do when packing your checked luggage is use packing cubes or compression bags. Using these will help organize your belongings, and if TSA has to perform a luggage inspection, your things won't get unorganized. And I'll talk more about these inspections later on in the video. I think most of us have been guilty of this next one, and that is overpacking. So try not to overpack. If your luggage is overweight, you will have to pay an overweight fee in addition to the checked luggage fee. I recommend investing in a portable luggage weight scale to weigh your luggage before you leave for the airport. And if you're interested in a portable luggage weight scale, I'll link one in my description. The next thing you want to do is, unlike carry-ons, pack your larger size liquid containers inside your checked luggage. Remember that liquid containers larger than 3.4 ounces are not allowed in carry-ons, but are allowed in checked luggage. The fifth thing you want to do is be sure your luggage has a working non-defective zipper and can easily zip open and close. Keep in mind that your luggage is not only handled by a baggage handler, but also machine handled. So you want to be sure that the zipper is good and secure. Next is, if you prefer to lock your luggage when traveling, use a TSA-compatible luggage or travel lock, and you can find these at airports or Amazon. Use any other locks at your own risk. No, don't do it.
No, don't do it. Please don't do it.
The reason is that TSA screens all checked luggage before they are loaded on flights, and if TSA sees something suspicious looking inside, they will use a universal key to unlock the lock for a physical inspection of your luggage. Or if the key does not work, like on a non-compatible TSA lock, TSA will cut the lock. Here are a few TSA approved luggage locks on Amazon. So if you go on Amazon.com, type in TSA approved luggage lock, and you can either purchase a single lock or a 2-pack, a 3-pack, a 4-pack, etc. And when the inspection is complete, the TSA officer who searched your luggage will place this notice of baggage inspection inside your bag. This is to inform you that an officer conducted an inspection of your property. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, if you use packing cubes, your belongings will remain nicely organized after the inspection. The next thing you want to do is remove old bag tags and barcode stickers from your luggage. So before you travel, remember to remove old bag tags and barcode stickers from the outside of your luggage. This will avoid your luggage possibly ending up in the wrong city or country. The next thing you want to do is stick the luggage contact card, the card with your information on it, on the inside of your luggage. So instead of leaving the card on the outside of your luggage, place it on the inside, whether in a side pocket or zipper compartment. This way it will be securely discreet. The next thing you want to do is take pictures of your luggage inside and out. In case your luggage gets lost or stolen, you can provide photos to authorities or when filing a claim. This next tip is when you arrive at the airport after checking in your luggage, and it has to do with baggage receipts. Try not to misplace or discard your luggage receipt, because if your luggage gets lost, you'll need the receipt to 1, help prove that's your luggage, 2, help locate your luggage, and 3, if your luggage is confirmed lost, you can also provide the receipt when filing a claim. If you missed last week's video on what not to pack in your checked luggage, be sure to check that out next, and it will also be linked in my description. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Provocation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.